This is Sully at Bay Carpet and Flooring. This is our showroom, and this is some things you don't know about us. We are a full shop and home service. We have a large selection of different manufacturers, products, and brands. We'd be happy to help you with any project. Call us for a free estimate. We have our own installers with a minimum of 15 years of experience. We do commercial, like some of the jobs that you're seeing in the screen right now. We do residential. We bring the store to you. We also specialize in marine flooring. We've been in business since 1983. We have the highest amount of 5-star reviews compared to our competitors.